pregnant lady in the first trimester and the last trimester, the person who is anemic, the blood cell count is less than 12, is not advisable to do hijama.
Okay, and diabetes person can?
Diabetic we can do for hijama, but we are having taking very good precaution because it's very difficult for diabetic patient that the squat will get cured fast.
Cured, yes. It's
So
a
in that case, we
yes.
are doing specific precaution for it.
Okay. ओके मैम, आई अंडरस्टैंड। मीन्स डायबिटीज पेशेंट भी फ्रेंड्स कर सकते हैं अगर उन्हें करना होगा हिजामा तो, और प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन्स नहीं, प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन ने नहीं करना चाहिए। हाँ, मैम ने ये बताया। तो मैम, हाउ लॉन्ग डज इट टेक कपिंग मार्क्स टू गो अवे?
Okay, so the suction marks will be taken 4 to 7 days maximum. For the scratches which we will be making, it will take 24 to 48 and will be cured.
ओके, विल बी क्योर। तो 7 डेज में ये कपिंग जो मार्क्स आते हैं वो आपके ठीक हो जाएंगे, क्योर हो जाएंगे। इज कपिंग बेटर देन अ मसाज?
Cupping is better than massage? Yes.
Okay.
Why? When you are applying a cup on the surface, because almost you are making massage on the back or on the leg. So when you are putting the cup on the surface, you are creating a suction. So you are pulling the first, second layer of the skin up. And when you are just sliding the cup, okay, you are targeting more tissue on the back or on the leg, whatever the area targeted. So yes, cupping, and there is a part from cupping, it's called cupping massage. So it's more beneficial than the pressure.
ओके, मोर बेनिफिशियल देन, मीन्स मसाज से ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियल कपिंग थेरेपी है, तो इसे आपको ज़रूर करना चाहिए फ्रेंड्स।
Yeah, it's advisable for the gym people who is doing more shoulder back activities.
Okay, back activities.
For people who is sitting in the chair for more than 6 hours in office.
Computer work is there.
Yes, so it's very beneficial.
It is beneficial for eyes also?
Eyes also to increase, you mean to say?
Yes, increase the eyesight.
Eyesight, it's not a proven 100%. Yes, it can help, but not sure.
Okay.
There are not much cases that it's proven that yes, it can help that to increase the sight.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what is more beneficial? Means blood donation or cupping therapy?
So blood donation, when you are giving the full blood.
Yes.
Whatever in the blood.
Means I think one time we can donate 350 grams.
But there is difference. Donation, you are giving the full blood.
Yes.
With the white, with the red, with the pellets, with
WBC,
everything.
RBC and platelets.
All yeah.
Yes.
But when you are doing cupping, the blood which is coming, it's not the blood, it's the toxin.
It's a toxins blood. Yes, sir. Poisonous blood, right?
We cannot say poison. If we are having poison, we will die.
Some amount of
pathogens,
foreign particles.
Yes, foreign particles, pathogens, all cells. So that's why when we are putting the cup, the blood is clotting without air. Normally, the blood will be clotted only when there is air. But here there is no air inside the cup and it gets clogged.
Ma'am, I have one more question that you have discussed about Michael Phelps. Michael Phelps have done the cupping therapy in all her body. So I have one question. How many cups, maximum cups, can we apply in our body at a time?
See.
Because the Michael Phelps...
About fashion.
Okay. No, it's not about fashion.
No, because I saw some they are putting maybe 15, 20 cups on one.
Yes, I have seen the pictures.
Yes, this is medically wrong.
Okay.
Medically.
Okay.
Because on the body there is reflect to the organ, reflect point to the organ.
Yes. Sir.
Now for the front we are having the lens, we are having the kidney.
Yes.
The reflect point on the back.
Back, yes.
Okay. So we are targeting the point.
Point also, yes.
If I will be,
this is the main.
Wrong, totally wrong. If I will be feeling the back, even Phillips, if you will see his picture as example you gave, there is specific point on the shoulder,
yes,
on the back,
okay,
but he didn't feel the back.
Okay.
It needs to be done from a professional, approved practitioner or therapist.
Therapist. Ma'am, maximum cups means how much? 2, 3 or how much?
4.
4. Not.
For what?
Ma'am, for miss, I have to done hijama. So
for what?
For my back pain and my headache problem. So how many cups should I apply?
See, for back pain, we are targeting the main points. Then we will be doing extra points. Means if you have a problem like on the neck here,
Yes.
so we'll be putting one here.
Yes.
And if you are having shoulder, where the pain, we need to target it. Okay. This is how many, it depends. Then there is extra to boost your immunity system, which is number 55. If people, they may be practitioner, they watch, so they know this number. And the other points which can help to boost or to release toxin from the targeted infected area or inflamed.
Okay. No problem. And it's matlab, means what would you tell that every Indian should perform hijama cupping therapy?
I wish that
Because the problems are there. There are stress problems. Today we are going from a COVID-19 pandemic period. There are lots of stress problems. People are facing very problems. Means there are job losses, unemployment, and money losses. People are taking loan from the banks, but they are not satisfied to fulfill the banks. There are many problems. So there are stress problems are there today. So what you advise to the Indian peoples that how many times should they take to recover the stress problem in the COVID-19 depression, right? Pandemic. So how many times?
For depression and stress, everyone now over the world are going through this epidemic coronavirus. So for cupping, it can help much. Okay, as I said, if the person can go for 2 times session, but it will not wet session or cupping.
Wet cupping.
Because
what is the difference between wet and dry cupping?
So wet cupping, where we are doing scratches, and the blood is come out from that. And the dry cupping, which we are not only using the cut and sliding it over the back, and this for depression and stress, we are doing this. We are helping the body to relax.
Okay.
Not required if the person
means the dry cupping means it's a type of a massage.
Kind of.
Okay, ma'am. I have one more question for gym lovers. Could you explain, because I want to start my gym from next month, so therefore I am telling to you. I am very excited to this question. Gym lovers, you are told stiffness problem, because I am interested to put a heavy weight. I want a body like John, Vidyut Jamal. So what?
Okay, so for the gym lovers, as you said, or addicted gym, cupping is very good and frequent. I'm having many patients coming from these places. They are doing gym, building, and they are suffering from body stiffness, back stiffness, leg stiffness. So cupping too much help them on that. There is also another thing which I like to say, cupping for the bodybuilders, that it can shape the muscle, but not in the premier stage. Means when the person gets in and he wanna lose some fat or shape the tummy or the
protein muscles will come out.
It will help a lot.
Okay, for the gym. So how many times should a gym lover should visit your clinic?
Okay, if he's a normal, he don't have any problem, he can visit, as I said, twice, 3 times a year. But if he's having a stiffness and he's suffering from the weight, some people they are having shoulder fracture because of the carrying overweight. So here it needs to be minimum 3 sessions.
Okay.
Session a month.
The dates are given by you only for.
Yeah, he can book appointment and he can
come. Okay.
One thing I want to notice here, that the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he advised us to do hijama on 17 and 19, 21 on Hijri days.
Okay.
moon
17, 19, 21. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam ने बताया गया था कि हिजामा करने के लिए 17, 19 and 21 हर महीने के ये डेट्स में आपको हिजामा करना ज्यादा फायदेमंद है. What are the benefits doing only these days? What are the benefits? What is the scientific reason?
Scientific reason, this is on those days because of the moon on the middle. I'm not sure, but because of the moon in the middle of the sky, and we know that's the relation between the earth and the moon. So it's the blood will be in high position. It's in high level. So that's why we are doing that.
Means it's have some time also. Time also.
Time not sure.
Not sure. Means only
Because
date.
there are many hadiths that they are
Because
people
on
they are saying before Maghrib, Just people they are saying, but in medical, there is no such between this time and this time. Only you need to do it in empty stomach.
Empty stomach.
2 hours before the session.
Okay, means we have not eaten anything. Anything means
So
nothing.
you can have liquid.
Liquid, water,
Yeah.
or
water,
juice.
Juice.
Chai,
Yeah.
coffee.
Yeah.
Okay,
Before the session, 2 hours you can have.
okay, ma'am. Then, so okay, ma'am. You want to add something? Tell about our viewers about
So
hijama
I'm
cupping.
advising, I'm encouraging people to take a chance or to give it a try to go for hijama at least once and experiment the feeling and how the person will be feeling light after the hijama. Because here it's not like in Arabic countries, it's no one and everyone will go in for that. It's empty, just come to India maybe, and people don't have much awareness about it. So I'm encouraging, just give it a try, and you will not means disappointed.
Okay, not disappointed. Okay. Hijama, it's really works after the session completed. 100% works.
Yes. I'm having patients, many patients during these 2 years in my stay here. It's very weird and hair fall also. People who's having alopecia in the big patches on the hair, they recover a lot in 3-4 session maximum.
So we have to do the cupping of our head. We have to remove all the hair.
Yes.
For women also, we have to remove all the hairs.
For women, we are using the suction machine.
So women can do with his hair.
Yes.
So men can also do with his hair.
But for men, it's better.
Oh, it's better to remove the hair.
Yeah,
Yes.
because like the pattern which is alopecia, which is having in the men, it's more than the woman.
Okay. Then, is there not any problem the women could perform hijama because women have some bleeding problems also. So women, no, he can perform now because blood is coming out of our body. So there is no side effects.
No side effect. As it's applied on the men, it's applied on the woman. Only there is one condition. I remember now.
Because women have scarcity of blood problem.
Now I will give a light on 2 points. The lady cannot do hijama on her period time. This is one. Second thing, you will be asking me, maybe the ladies will say that we are already getting our period or menstruation, so we are getting out our toxin. So why I will be doing
Yes, right.
So there is difference between the ovary when it's exploded and getting becoming as blood, and between the blood which we are taking from the full blood circulation. So this blood which is coming in period time, it's concerning the infertility only, infertility system. Okay, but when we are getting the blood, toxin blood from our back, it's the full pura, as you said, the full blood circulation.
Ma'am, this blood which you are doing hijama, you are first you are doing sucking that area. Then after that
First of all, we are cleaning the surface.
Okay, cleaning the surface.
Then
you are targeting a point.
The point according to the patient diet.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Then we will be putting the cup.
Yes.
We will suck.
Yes.
Leave it for 1 minute, 2 minutes.
Okay.
Then we'll release the cup and do the scratch.
Then you are doing scratches from